Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and exploring 10 unstoppable AI stocks you might want to consider for your investment portfolio. First up, we have NVIDIA. Known for its powerful GPUs, NVIDIA is at the heart of AI technology, driving innovations in data centers, gaming, and even self-driving cars. Next, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is a leader in AI research. From search engines to autonomous systems like DeepMind's AlphaGo, Alphabet is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Amazon is not just about online shopping. Its AI technologies power personalized recommendations, smart assistant Alexa, and AWS robust AI services. Microsoft integrates AI into its Azure cloud platform and products like Office 365 and Windows, making it a giant in the AI industry. IBM's Watson platform is renowned for its AI-driven solutions in healthcare, finance, and customer service, making IBM a key player in AI. Tesla isn't just about electric cars. Its AI-driven autopilot system and custom AI chips are revolutionizing autonomous driving technology. Salesforce leverages AI through its Einstein platform, helping businesses automate tasks and predict customer behavior to enhance the customer experience. Adobe's Sensei platform integrates AI into creative and marketing tools, enabling users to create and optimize content more efficiently. Intel is expanding its AI capabilities with AI chips used in data centers and edge devices, driving significant advancements in AI technology. Facebook, now Meta, uses AI to enhance user experiences and improve advertising. Its investments in AI and the metaverse are setting the stage for future growth. Investing in AI stocks like NVIDIA, Alphabet, Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, Tesla, Salesforce, Adobe, Intel, and Meta can be a smart move as AI technology continues to evolve. These companies are leading the charge in AI innovation and are positioned for long-term growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more investment tips and tech insights.